What's the meaning of consistency? Consistency. Consistency.
Consistency. Consistency. Consistency refers to the quality or condition of being reliable, steady, and unchanging over time. In other words, consistency means maintaining the same level of performance, behavior, quality, or outcome in a repetitive or routine manner. Consistency is an important trait in personal relationships, professional work, and everyday life situations as it builds trust, reliability, and credibility. Consistent actions and words over time can lead to positive outcomes such as improved results, better relationships, and increased success. In short, consistency is a key component for achieving long-term success and stability in various aspects of life.